Welcome to Comply Online. I'm Rodney Scott, CEO and owner of Scott Safe. We're occupational health and safety compliance agents, and our sole purpose is to ensure that management comply with the requirements of the Occupational Health and Safety Act.
Thanks, Rodney. Dr. Nicholas Eval. I've been in the IT industry for 15 years, first as a quality management auditor, and then lately in developing a number of online systems, including Comply Online.
Comply Online was designed to assist corporations in complying at outlying sites. As we well know, the bigger head offices are easy to access. We provide on-site services, straightforward, simple. But when it comes to complying at the smaller branches throughout the country, that's where we have the challenge.
Now, Rodney, we all know that the mining and manufacturing industry is very prone to accidents when it comes to health and safety. But why the office environment, why corporate, and why retail?
It's quite simple. The corporate environment has always been looked upon as low risk, and there's never been this need to comply in these kinds of workplaces. However, nowadays, most employees are employed in the corporate environment. And as we all know, risk is directly associated to people. More people you have, the higher the risk. And we're starting to see statistics now showing us that there are more people being injured and killed in the corporate environment than in mining and manufacture.
I believe the CEO carries criminal liability personally.
The Health and Safety Act defines the employer as the Chief Executive Officer. Chief Executive Officer is now accountable for the health and safety of all his or her employees, and of course there's this added responsibility as far as protecting those other than employees.
Now, lately the Department of Labour has been conducting a number of inspections throughout the country, and I believe you have some interesting stats from 2012.
A turnaround strategy for the Department of Labour, a lot more inspectors deployed, visiting companies throughout the country. And in terms of their last annual report, 200,000 visits were made by the Department of Labour, of which there were many closures of companies for non-compliance.
Now, the Comply Online system offers you the ability to not only look after many branches at the same time, to train your representatives online, anytime, anywhere, but also to conduct a self-assessment online that can be scheduled around your needs, around your timings. So please have a look at the demo below, and remember, rather stay safe than sorry.